Robin Padilla turned up yesterday at the Senate after being out of the public eye since the controversial escape of ally Senator Bato de la Rosa. Padilla faced BNC's agenda, saying he is ready to face any investigation. Amid reports, he left the Senate with de la Rosa, who faces an ICC arrest warrant after the shooting incident on Wednesday, May 13. Padilla also denied claims that de la Rosa was secretly smuggled out of the Senate.
Ako po ay handang humarap sa investigasyon. Katunayan, gustong-gusto ko na rin pong magkwento sa mga tao pero dahil inofficial po nila na magkakaroon ng investigasyon, kaya mas maganda po na doon na lang po ako magpapahiwatig sa kanila at maglalahad kung ano po yung alam ko. Okay.
So hindi naman po siya nagtago sa compartment ng inyong kotse? Wala pong ganun?
Hindi po na kailangan gawin yon dahil wala pong warrant naman galing sa Pilipinas.
Nagsuot daw ng wig? Wala pong ganun?
Naku, hindi gagawin po ni Senator Bato yun.
Padilla also admitted that the Senate minority bloc could possibly regain control of the chamber if Duterte-allied members of the majority lose their voting power, amid growing legal issues involving several senators, including Jinggoy Estrada.
Sa ngayon po, sa rules, hindi po sila makakaboto.
Mapapalitan kaya yung...
Kung maka-13 po yung minority, kung meron pong sa amin na lilipat sa kanila na makakaboto, hindi po imposible yun.
Padilla maintained that the recent developments reflect the country's wider political tensions rather than any internal disorder within the Senate.